Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and account basics so the process runs smoothly. Connect to a trusted network, update your operating system and browser, and install critical security patches. Once done, create strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication where available so attackers have an extra barrier. Make sure notifications for updates are active. This prevents gaps. Now proceed to open your browser and plan the sites or services you'll use, keeping privacy settings in mind as you move forward. You now focus on careful navigation and verification to avoid scams and unwanted tracking. Inspect the address bar for HTTPS and the correct domain. Suspicious typos often signal phishing. Once confirmed, adjust site privacy and cookie settings to limit data collection and use content filters to reduce clutter. Make sure your password manager autofills credentials only on exact domains. This prevents mistargeted logins. If you need multiple tabs, organize tasks so you're not mixing financial forms with casual browsing. You complete the session by securing what you used and scheduling maintenance. Log out of banking or shopping sites, clear session cookies for shared machines, and lock your device when finished. Once done, back up important files regularly and scan account activity weekly to catch anomalies early. Make sure software updates continue automatically. If something goes wrong, restart the device first. Then check your network and temporarily disable browser extensions to isolate the problem. This simple sequence resolves most connectivity and security hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.